So here is our passage then for paper 12. We're reminded at the top that this is the comprehension and it is worth 20 marks. The instructions here say read this passage very carefully, then answer the questions that follow it in full sentences. So that's what we have to do. We have to answer in full sentences, which means a capital letter at the start, a full stop at the end, and a sentence which makes grammatical sense. The title of this is called Bang, so that doesn't tell us very much other than something goes bang. So we are going to have to read this very carefully. We do know though from the bottom bit here that this is a passage from Winnie the Pooh by A.A. Milne. So you may be familiar with Winnie the Pooh. That might be a character that you recognise. You may even possibly have read this story at some point. Who knows? Now, you need to read the actual extract, the passage, through twice so you get a really good understanding, and once you've done that then you can start to look at the questions and then begin to answer them. But don't forget, you can look back at the passage as many times as you want to as you answer the questions, because that's the whole point of the passage being there, so you understand it and it helps you. This is not a test of memory, okay? You can check back as much as you like. Okay, so good luck. Happy reading, and let's start on question 1.